Did you know a poorly ventilated room can feel 20 degf hotter than the actual temperature? If you're tired of sweating through summer nights or blasting expensive central AC, it's time for a game changer. Today, we're diving into the best small window air conditioners, compact, powerful, and energy-efficient solutions to keep you cool without breaking the bank. Welcome to the channel. If you're looking for the perfect cooling solution, I've got you covered. Check out the links in the description to grab the best deals and stay cool all summer long. The number 5 product on our list is Keystone Small Window Air Conditioner. Imagine transforming your compact space into a cool sanctuary without breaking the bank. The Keystone Small Room Window Air Conditioner, with its 5,000 BTU capacity, is designed to efficiently cool areas up to 150 square feet, making it a top contender among the best small window air conditioners. Users have praised its quiet operation and effective cooling. One reviewer noted, "It's pretty quiet, cools my small bedroom nicely." The unit's lightweight design ensures easy installation, and features like the Follow Me remote control enhance user convenience. However, some users have found the remote's functionality limited, as it requires direct line of sight to the unit. Additionally, while many appreciate its quiet performance, others have reported increased noise levels over time. In summary, if you're seeking an affordable, efficient cooling solution for a small space, the Keystone Small Room Window Air Conditioner is worth considering. Its compact design and user-friendly features make it a strong choice, though potential buyers should be aware of the remote's limitations and possible noise concerns. At number 4 is Frigidaire FFRA 62 WAE Window Air Conditioner. Imagine transforming your sweltering space into a cool haven within minutes. Sounds enticing, right? The Frigidaire FFRA 62 WAE Window Air Conditioner, boasting 6,000 BTUs, is engineered to efficiently cool rooms up to 250 square feet, making it a top contender among the best small window air conditioners. Its multi-speed fan offers 3 cooling intensities, while the programmable 24-hour timer and sleep mode provide personalized comfort and energy savings. Users have praised its rapid cooling capabilities and user-friendly remote control. However, some have noted that the unit operates with a moderate noise level, which, though noticeable, remains within tolerable limits. If you're seeking an affordable and effective cooling solution for a small room, the Frigidaire FFRA 62 WAE presents a compelling option. The third one on our list is GE Electronic Window Air Conditioner. Seeking a cost-to-Cooper solution to beat the heat in your compact space? The GE 5000 BTU electronic window air conditioner is designed to efficiently cool rooms up to 150 SQFT, making it an excellent choice for bedrooms, studio apartments, or home offices. This unit features 3 cooling modes and fan speeds, allowing you to customize your comfort. Its low noise operation ensures minimal disruption, ideal for nighttime use. Installation is straightforward with the included easy mount kit, and the slide-out filter simplifies maintenance. However, some users have noted the absence of a remote control and potential noise levels. If you're seeking an affordable, efficient cooling solution for a small space and don't mind manual adjustments, this GE model is a solid choice. On number 2 is Midea Window Air Conditioner. Midea Window Air Conditioner with heater is a compact powerhouse designed to keep small rooms comfortable year-round. Despite its small size, this unit delivers reliable cooling for spaces up to 150 FTP, making it one of the best small window air conditioners for bedrooms, offices, or emergency setups. Its 7 temperature settings, 2 cooling speeds, and 2-way air direction allow precise control over airflow, ensuring the perfect temperature no matter the season. Energy efficiency is a standout feature, helping cut down on electricity bills while maintaining steady performance. The whisper-quiet operation makes it an excellent choice for nighttime use, and the easy-to-use mechanical controls keep things simple. Installation is quick and hassle-free, with all necessary accessories included. On the plus side, it's budget-friendly, energy-efficient, and easy to install. Some users note its small coverage area, so it's best for compact rooms. For an affordable, no-fuss heating and cooling solution, this is a solid pick. Now, moving to the last one is Frigidaire Window Air Conditioner. Frigidaire Window Air Conditioner delivers powerful cooling in a sleek, compact design, making it one of the best small window air conditioners for single rooms, studios, or small apartments. With effortless temperature control, it maintains a consistent climate without constant adjustments, ensuring reliable comfort throughout the day. The adjustable side panels make installation seamless, fitting a variety of window sizes with ease. Energy-conscious users will appreciate its efficiency, although it does consume a fair amount of power. The extra-long power cord eliminates the need for extension cords, adding convenience. A washable filter keeps the air clean while extending the unit's lifespan. On the plus side, it's simple to install, cools quickly, and maintains temperature well. However, some users note that it moves a lot of liquid internally, requiring proper installation for drainage. If a reliable, compact, and efficient cooling solution is the goal, this Frigidaire unit is a solid choice. So guys, this was the video about the best small window air conditioner. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.